Hello, welcome to the 505 Man Cave in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Today we're going to unpackage or unbox Tellason Topper Chambray shirt. Let's get to it right away. I have been a fan of Tellason for quite some time now. In fact, I got my Tellason jeans on and they are fading nicely. I also, behind me here, you'll see I have Tellason clamp down shirts. And behind those I have the coverall jackets. We'll get to those in a minute. So the Topper shirt I had been wanting for quite some time, so I finally ordered it. Came in, ordered it on a Monday, and it was here on a Friday. So let's see what we got here. Got a nice shirt, always comes with a pencil. Nice personalized little card from Pete and Tony. In fact, I had the pleasure of meeting Pete and Tony when I was in the Bay Area 2 years ago. Crossed the Golden Gate Bridge, went into Sausalito and got to go to their studio and have coffee with them, and they made some really nice recommendations, restaurant recommendation and some other places to visit while in Sausalito. Always comes with a pencil. Let's try this shirt on. Right off the bat, feels like a really nice high quality shirt. You can feel it just by the touch, and I love the buttons. Really nice high quality button. Let's try this on. So normally I wear extra large in just about everything. XL, 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 and everything. But when I ordered the XL in this Topper shirt, it was a little snug in this area right here. So I thought I better go to the XXL, which these two shirts here, the clamp down shirts, they are both XXL, and they both fit perfectly. I like a little room when I put my shirt on. I like it a little bit relaxed. So this shirt here feels very nice. Feels like a nice high quality shirt. Perfectly fit. I like where the shoulders are. The back. I like the styling in the pockets. I like not the pockets, the buttons right here in the sleeves, really nice. I like that. Nice fit. Here are my clamp down shirts, which I've had for a while now. Well, actually this one here a couple of years. And this one here I just recently purchased. This is kind of going to be my work shirt. Working in the yard, working on the RV, working on the motorcycles. This is going to be my going out shirt. Also, I got my clamp down jackets here. Actually the coverall jackets. Love them. Nice quality. This one here is the International Orange, which is the color of the Golden Gate Bridge. I did have the pleasure, like I said, of meeting Tony and Pete while I was in Sausalito, and I think those are the two coolest cats on the planet. Awesome guys. Love Tellason products. I've been a fan for a few years now. Love the fit, love the quality. Thank you.